Travel. Travel if you're happy to celebrate the happiness. Travel if you're sad, upset, or irritated to make yourself cool and regain your happiness. Travel can maintain the balance of your emotions and body. Keep traveling until your heart says to stop.
A very good day to all my handsome and pretty viewers. Welcome to Anjude Vlogs. Due to the pandemic, after few months of lockdown, our mind was really aching like for a ride to somewhere nearby Bangalore, and suddenly we decided to go to Chikmagalur. We started our journey on the first weekend of July, waking up to an early alarm. That too after so many months was really difficult, but still, because of the urge to travel, we had to do that. Chikmagaluru, the home of Indian coffee and the home of tropical rainforest, is a perfect getaway for you guys to visit and get refreshed from your daily routine.
We took the Nice Road from Electronic City. Early morning ride through Nice Road is always my favorite. We have to take the Tumkur Road exit. After reaching Nelamangala, we will have to turn left towards the Mangalore Road via NH 75. This highway is a paradise to travelers, be it for the four-wheelers or two-wheelers. Everyone will equally enjoy this drive. We could see a lot of cyclists also on the way, enjoying the ride. See, on the either side we can see a lot of agricultural lands. Look like we cannot find much residential areas even though it connects small towns in between. For breakfast, you can find some good restaurants on the way. You can consider Sambrama and Sri Kamadhenu. These are two good restaurants I can suggest. We came to Sri Kamadhenu restaurant. Looks like it got opened on the same day. But still, we can find the restaurant to be full. The ambience is really good. The restaurant has some beautiful paintings, giving a glance to the Karnataka traditional art forms like Yakshagana. Here comes our puri and dosa. It is tasty except for the curry they served with puri. Dears, now let's continue our travel. Look at the Rocky Mountains, amazing view. I'm getting a feel of the place Ramnagar, isn't it? If any of you are getting the same feel, do comment in the comment box. Now let's take enough break in between and enjoy the scenic views. In between, let's also see the route and the distance to be covered. Guys, drinking a lot of water in between is really important. We have come down to have some fresh tender coconut. Bangaloreans might have felt that it is really lucky to find such sweet tender coconut these days. We just crossed Hassan and took a left turn from there towards Chikmagaluru. Now we are in for a Dodda Almara break. It is really nice to stop here. Not sure if you are able to listen to the wind. Such cool breeze we are able to feel being here. Even though it is afternoon, the climate looks so cool, guys. Look at the clouds. Feels so refreshing. Such a breathtaking view it is. The clouds are dancing at our minds too. So much fun we are having here. On the way, we can see these amazing view of dahlia farming. On either sides of the road, who can go without stopping here for a while? Anyways, I can't. After 6 hours of ride, here is Chikmagalur welcoming us. We entered the city, which is busy and with a view of Western Ghats falling as a backdrop. See guys, the terrain suddenly changed after the city ride. Now it is so refreshing with coffee plantations everywhere. I just love the ride through such landscapes. If you guys also love such rides, please do comment in the comment box. Okay, now we have to take this off-road guys towards our homestay. Wow, the first look of our home itself looks really nice. Here you can see our owner Nitin is waiting for us. He's really a cool and young dude who gets connected to the guests so quickly.
This time we really wanted to opt for a homestay. So when we looked into sites, most of the major homestays were booked, but then we were so lucky enough to find this homestay which is really cool and you can really have a chilling time out here. And the name is Kipstay Homestay. I will share the details of this homestay in the description box. Here goes the room tour.
Yes, it looks like a decent, clean and traditional home away from home. Guys, we got freshened up and came for lunch. While traveling, the owner had reached out to us to inquire on our meal plans. So when we reached itself, there was the sumptuous homely meals waiting for us. It is so yummy that we will never feel that we are away from home. If you need drinks, campfire, etc., you can inform the owner in advance and he will keep it ready for you. These vibrant colors and the freaky, cute stuffs really add to the aesthetics of this traditional home.
This homestay is more than 100 years old, guys, and you can really feel the tradition here. Now, the meaning of Chikmagaluru. Chikkadu in Kannada means small, Magalu means daughter, and Uru means town. So, it is small daughter's town. Years back, Chikmagaluru was given as dowry to the youngest daughter of the legendary chief of the all Chikmagaluru. That's how it got the name as Chikmagaluru.
Wow, it's raining, buddies. What a great feel, man. We got new friends also here. This is the real beauty of travel. New people, new place, new bondings, all together it is really refreshing. Sipping the best ever coffee in my life and eating biscuits, life is cool. It's dinner time. Good morning, dears. Waking up to the greenery, another day in Chikmagaluru starts. Life feels so special here. Drinking coffee, relaxing, having delicious breakfast, having fun, etc. etc. Life is really cool to be here.
Now, about the current situation in Chikmagaluru. From Monday to Friday, it is open until 5 pm, and on Saturday and Sunday, it's curfew here. When I say Chikmagaluru is open, that really means it is open for the tourist, for travel. But then what about the tourist spots? It is not really open. None of the tourist spots are open here. The main thing which you can do is find a good resort or homestay, try to spend maximum time there and have a refreshing and peaceful atmosphere. From tomorrow onwards, that is 5th of July, we are not really sure if there is going to be some changes in the rules. So if you're traveling to Chikmagaluru, better to give a call to your resort owner or the homestay owner and get proper information about the travel and whether the picnic spots are open here. This homestay has kept a beautiful drawing on how to explore the city. I can read out few of the important ones from here. Mullenagiri Peak, which is the highest peak of Karnataka. Kudremukh, you can have a beautiful view from the Kudremukh trekking. Chikmagaluru also covers a lot of beautiful waterfalls. Hebbe Falls, Sirimane Falls, a few of them. You can find a lot of historical forts also, like Bellarayana Durga Fort. You can make a city ride, explore the Church Street also. Guys, I think this is the first time we are coming to some place and spending most of the time there itself. About the mobile network, this place doesn't have much network connection. Not only here, I think most of the places in Chikmagaluru is like that.
This vacation is really great. Feels like being at a home sweet home. Away from all tensions, daily routine, social media. having fun at a peaceful place with lot of fresh air, playing several indoor and outdoor games. Altogether, life was beautiful. They even arranged trekking through their coffee estate behind the homestay. Today is Monday. Before leaving, we went to the market to get some toys for my nephew. The street was so full and all shops were open.
One thing I wanted to highlight about this homestay is the delicious food that is served here. So let me take you to the master chef who is behind all this delicious homely food. Guys, time has come to leave this beautiful scenic place. Yeah, definitely we'll come again. See you soon. Until then, take care. Anju Dev Vlogs signing off. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share all your feedback. Bye.